In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a hood lift support on a Nissan Maxima. It is located under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to locate our hydraulic lift support on each side of the hood. They are held down by metal clips, so I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and pry them out. Once they're disengaged, I'm going to pull the hood lift support out. Once it's disengaged, hold the hood up and use something to prop it up as well. I'll be using a pry bar. Now do the same with the bottom mounting location. And there it is. Now to install our hood lift support. The body of our hood lift support is going to be towards the bottom of the vehicle, so just slide it over, press down, make sure it's fully seated, and do the same for the top. Remove your stand, lift the hood, and install your support. Again, make sure it's fully seated, and now test it out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.